Alright, I want to show you guys we're on absorption mode right now. You can see the batteries are soaking in with the power and absorbing, and that's what is happening right here because all these things were linked with our power. Oh, we just jumped to float. We caught it on camera. Look at that. We're on float now. There we go. So yeah, I just want to show you guys so batteries we're doing, and everything is working as planned, and solar cut off, and see the green lights now. If you didn't even see what I was saying, there was orange lights like amber, and now it's green and green. They are all flashing, and this is a good sign that we'll finally come to the end of the charging cycle. Batteries are full. Yeah. So just want to bring you along so you can see what I'm talking about here, and I will show you right on the app for you to see how everything looks like right from the command center of JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Stay tuned. Okay, this is what is happening right now. You see we got some loads running on the background, and it's 100% state of charge, and everything has cycle. If you look at here, how many amp hours that was we drawn for the past days. Everything we've drawn the past days has been replaced. So right now we are 100% state of charge, and number is dropping down, and powering the loads now through the solar.